नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का एचजेडी क्लासेस में स्वागत है। एंड इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट प्रॉब्लम सेट 2 quadratic equation. So first question is MCQs, multiple choice question. Choose the correct alternative from the given options. So let's start from the first question. Okay, so see MCQs, which one is the quadratic equation? We have to find the quadratic equation. First, 5 upon x minus 3 is equal to x square. It is not a quadratic equation because if I multiply by x, I'll get x cube. X plus into bracket x plus 5 is equal to 2. This is quadratic equation. When I multiply by the x, I will get x square plus 5x is equal to, so I will, if I this x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, and this is the type of quadratic equation. N minus 1 is equal to n. It is not quadratic equation, it is linear equation. 1 upon x square, if I multiply by x square, then I will get x cube. So it is not a quadratic equation. So this second is quadratic equation. Which one is not a quadratic equation? Okay, x square plus 4x is equal to 11 plus x square. If I see this equation, then this x square get cancelled. So 4x is equal to 11. It is not a quadratic equation. Rest all are the quadratic equation. X square remains as it is, 5x square remains as it is, and in this case minus will be plus 2x square will be there. That's why the first one is not a quadratic equation. Okay, the roots of x square plus kx plus k is equal to 0 are real and equal. Find k. Okay, the roots are real. If we compare with this, a is equal to 1, b is equal to k, c is equal to k. Okay, and then you have to find the k. And if, okay, in this case these roots are real, so b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So k square minus 4 into 1 into k is equal to 0. So k square is equal to 4k, k get cancelled. So I will get here 0 and 4. Okay, this is the correct solution because every quadratic equation has two roots. Okay, for root 2 x square minus 5x plus root 2 is equal to, find the value of discriminant. This is known as delta discriminant. Okay, so if you do this, okay, by b square minus 4ac, okay, so the value will be, okay, of this, okay, 2 will be 2 and then 4. Okay, so it is 5 square. Okay, 5 square is what? You know that is 25, and this minus 8 you will get 17. Okay, you try to do this. Okay, now which of the quadratic equation has root 3 and 5? Okay, obviously if you do this calculation, that number should be minus. Okay, so minus 8 should be there. Are you looking minus 8? Because minus 3 minus 5 you will get minus, okay, this plus roots. Okay, so this is the correct solution. X square minus 8x plus 15. Okay, rest, see, minus 15 plus 3 plus 8, we want the minus 8. This is a common question, you have to solve it by your common sense. Okay, x square minus 5x, okay, x square minus 3x minus 5x plus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, you will get x minus 3, x minus 5. So the roots are 3 and 5. Okay, find the equation having sum of roots minus 5. Okay, for this purpose you need to do, okay, you need to find the equation which have the sum minus 5. Okay, so root sum, you know that sum. Okay, it is equal to minus b upon a. So just put the value of minus b. Okay, so minus b, suppose minus 15, and a, suppose this 3. Okay, suppose a is 3, so you'll get minus 5. Okay, so this a is 3, b is 15, and then c is 3. Okay, then you will get this. If you take this, okay, minus 15, so it will be plus, so it is not minus 5. Okay, this 3 no problem, but this is the correct solution. Okay, so D is the correct solution. You have to perform this activity. Okay, 7 root 5 m square minus root 5 plus root 5 is find the true statement. Real and unequal roots, real and equal roots, roots are not real, 3 roots. Okay, if I put a is equal to root 5, b is equal to minus root 5, and c is equal to root 5, and if I do b square minus 4ac, okay, I will get, okay, delta is equal to, so I will get root 5 square, it is 5 only, and minus 4 into this 2, 5 root 5 into 5, so it will be 5 minus 50 minus 20 is equal to minus 15. Okay, so these roots are not real, these roots are not real. Okay, you do this. Okay, one root of the equation x square plus mx minus 5 is equal to 0 is to find m. Okay, if one root is given, okay, so x square, okay, 2 square, it is 4. Do this, m into 2 Okay, minus 5 is equal to 0, so I'll get, okay, this will be minus 5 plus 4, okay, it is minus 1. So 2m is equal to 1, m is equal to 1 half. Okay, so this is the solution, 1 half. Okay, do the calculation. In this way you have to solve this question. This is the MCQ is multiple choice question. You have to choose the correct alternative from the given options, but for this purpose you should have the knowledge of the lesson properly. You should know how to solve this type of question, and then only you will be able to solve this. So you have to revise the whole lesson once in a good way, so you can able to solve such type of questions very easily. Okay, so we have covered this question. This is the first question. Choose the correct appropriate alternative from the given options. We have solved it, and now we are going to solve question number second. Okay, so we'll solve the second question. In the second question, which of the following equations is quadratic? Okay, we have to find the quadratic equation. So x square plus 3x plus 11 is equal to 0. Comparing with, okay, comparing with, okay, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, okay, so it is a quadratic equation. Okay, we'll get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 11. It is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Okay, equation. Or you write x square plus 2x plus 11 is equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. Okay, what, okay, in your sense what you feel. Okay, now x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to x square. This x square get cancelled, so minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, comparing with this. Okay, comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, therefore a is equal to 0. Okay, but a is never equal to 0, therefore it is not a quadratic. It is not a quadratic equation, not a quadratic equation. Okay, a quadratic equation, because you know that in the case a is equal to 0, it will be never quadratic equation. Okay, first x square should not be equal to 0. Okay, so this is the given requirement for a quadratic equation. So all this x plus 2 bracket square is equal to x square, so it is x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 2x square. So take this whole to that side, I will get 2x square minus x square minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore comparing with, okay, comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 4. It is a quadratic equation. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this question. This is second question. You can solve by your own ways, own ideas, own skills. Okay, you try to understand how to write the solution. Either you write like this, or directly you can write comparing with x square plus bx is equal to c is equal to 0. The values of a should not be 0. If a is equal to 0, this the given equation is not a quadratic equation. So the ax square, so a maximum index of variable should be 2, not less than 2 or not more than 2. Okay, and you can write here comparing with the x square. Therefore the index a is equal to 0, so it is not a quadratic equation. This is also another condition for a quadratic equation. Okay, so this is the question number second. We have solved it, and now we are going to solve question number 3. Okay, so second way you can write this, the, okay, which one of the following is quadratic equation. Okay, so you can write that the maximum index, okay, maximum index of variable x is 2. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Okay, this is first way. Okay, this is first. Seconds, it this goes cancel, so minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore the maximum index of variable x is 1. Therefore it is not a quadratic equation, Okay, so this is the another way you can solve this. X square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to x square. So rearrange this to x square minus x square minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 4x minus 4 is, therefore the maximum index of x is 2. Therefore it is quadratic. It is a quadratic equation. Okay, so you choose any way. Okay, you can write the solution for this question as per your tendency. Okay, earlier solutions are also correct, but if you want to write like this, so you can write like this also. Okay, so it's your choice. This is question number 2. We have completed it, and now we are going to solve question number 3. Okay, so we'll solve the third question. In the third question, find the value of discriminant for each of the following equations. Okay, so we have to find the values of discriminant in each of the equations. So comparing with, okay, comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, we get okay, so what we get? A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to, therefore delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, so b is minus 1 square minus 4, 2 into 2. Okay, so it is, if it is 1 minus 4, okay, this minus 4, 2 into 2, it is also 4, so it is minus 16, so it is minus 15. Okay, so do this, 4 4s are 16 and 1 minus 16, it is minus 15. Okay, 5m square minus so this is the value, delta is equal to minus 15. So value of discriminant is, okay, minus 15. You have to write this, 5m square minus m is equal to 0. Comparing with, okay, comparing with x square plus bx, so here is m, so am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. You can rearrange this equation like this, therefore 5m square minus m plus 0 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 0. Okay, therefore delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b. What is b? Minus 1 square minus 4. A is 5 and c is 0, so it is 1. Okay, because this will be 0. Okay, so delta is equal to 1. So this is the value of discriminant. Okay, delta is equal to 1. Okay, so do this, come to the next. So comparing with, okay, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to root 5, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to root 5. Therefore delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, b is minus 1 square minus 4 into root 5 into root 5. Okay, so it is 1 minus, okay, it is minus actually. Okay, sorry, this is minus, so minus, and this will be, okay, 5 only, so it is plus 20. Okay, so it is 21. Therefore delta is equal to 21. So these are the values of the discriminant for the given 3 equations. Okay, let's solve this. Just use the formula b square minus 4ac is equal to discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Just put the values and do the calculation. You will get your solution. Okay, this is the question number, I think, 3. Okay, we have completed it. Okay, as it is third question, we have completed it, and now, okay, after this we are going to solve the question number 4. Okay, so we'll solve the fourth question. In this question, one of the roots of quadratic equation 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equal to 0 is minus 2. Find k. Okay, we have to find k. Therefore I'm writing solution 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equal to 0, but x is equal to minus 2. Okay, it is given, or you write directly. Therefore 2 into minus 2 square plus k into minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 2 into 4 minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is 8 minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore this is this minus 2 plus 8, it is 6 only. Okay, minus 2k plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore minus 2k is equal to minus 6. Therefore k is equal to 6 divided by 2. Therefore k is equal to 3. Okay, so this is the value of k we have get after the calculation, or we have got after the calculation. Okay, we have just calculated. Okay, just put the value of x because it is given, the one of the root is given, just do the calculation. This type of questions are very easy to solve because there is a little efforts to do the calculation. Okay, and if you do proper calculation, you get proper value of your k, whatever the alphabet use as a constant. Okay, so do the calculation properly, you'll get that value. Okay, so this is question number 4, you solve it, and now we're going to solve question number 5. Okay, so we'll solve the next question, question number 5. Two roots of quadratic equation are given. Frame the equation. Okay, you have to frame the equation. Okay, the roots are given. Let alpha and beta be roots of quadratic equation. Okay, I'm writing in short. Therefore alpha is equal to 10, beta is equal to minus 10. Okay, therefore alpha plus beta, 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore alpha into beta. Okay, it is 10 into minus 10, so it is minus 100. Okay, therefore x square minus alpha plus beta x, okay, and plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. This is required pattern for the quadratic equation. Therefore x square minus, okay, it is 0 into x, okay, plus into minus 100, okay, is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 100 is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation you have to write. Okay, so in this way you have to do the calculation. Come to the second. Okay, let alpha and beta, same, let alpha and beta be the roots of given roots of quadratic equation. Okay, you write in full form. Okay, therefore alpha plus beta is equal to, okay, alpha, values of alpha, therefore alpha is equal to 1 minus 3 root 5 and beta is equal to 1 plus 3 root 5. Okay, therefore alpha plus beta is equal to 1 minus 3 root 5 plus 1 plus 3 root 5. Okay, these two get cancelled, so it is 2. Therefore alpha into beta is equal to 1 minus 3 root 5 into 1 plus 3 root 5. So it is 1 square minus 3 root 5 square. You know a square minus b square formula. So you'll get 1 minus, okay, this 3 square is 9 and it is 5. Okay, it is 45. 3 square is 9 and root 5 square is 5 only. Okay, so this is 45, so it is minus 44. Okay, therefore required alpha and beta, use x square minus alpha plus beta x and plus alpha into beta. Okay, alpha into beta is equal, this is required equation, x square minus alpha plus beta, it is 2x, okay, into minus 44, okay, is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation, x square minus 2x minus 44 is equal to 0. Okay, come to the third problem. 0, let alpha and beta be the roots of quadratic equation. Okay, so alpha is equal to 0, beta is equal to 7, therefore alpha plus beta is equal to 0 plus 7 is equal to 7, therefore alpha into beta is equal to 0 into 7, it is 0. Therefore x square plus, okay, sorry, minus alpha plus beta x, okay, plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. This is required form of x square. Okay, so minus this is 7x and plus 0 is equal to 0. Therefore it is x square minus 7x is equal to 0. So this is required quadratic equation. Okay, this is required quadratic equation. Okay, after doing the calculation, so in this way you have to solve this problem, frame a quadratic equation by using the given two roots of a quadratic equation. In this case we have already discussed, you have to consider alpha and beta are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Therefore alpha is equal to first root, beta is equal to second root, alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, find the values, just put that values in this pattern. Okay, this is the pattern, required pattern. Okay, so this is the form in which you have to put the values, okay, of alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, and you have to do the calculation. Okay, so you'll get the proper equation. Okay, so don't forget, so do it very accurately, so you'll get the perfect required equation for quadratic equation. This is the question number 5. We have solved it, and now we're going to solve question number 6. Okay, so we'll solve the 6 number question. Determine the nature of roots for each of the following quadratic equation. Okay, so we have to determine nature of root for this given quadratic equation. Okay, so comparing with, okay, you have to comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5, and c is equal to 7. Therefore delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b is minus 5 square minus 4 into a is 3, and this is 7. So this is 25. So this 3 7s are 21. Okay, so 4 21. So 25, and this is minus 84. Okay, so just subtract this minus 84. So 14 minus 5 is 9. Okay, 14. Okay, rise 14 minus 5 is 9. Carry 1 here. Okay, and this is 5 minus 59. Okay, so therefore delta is equal to, therefore delta is smaller than minus 59. Therefore the roots are not real. Okay, the roots are not real. I'm just writing in short, you don't write in short. Okay, so the roots of the given quadratic equation are not real. The roots of given quadratic equation are not real. Okay, you have to write the roots of given quadratic equation are not real. Okay, if delta is less than the value of discriminant. Okay, discriminant. Okay, so it is less, so it is okay, it is less than 0. Okay, it is less than 0. Okay, it is when I compare, delta is smaller than 0. Okay, delta is smaller than 0. Okay, minus 59. Okay, so at that time the roots are not real. Okay, so come to second, comparing with. Okay, this is second, comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to root 3, b is equal to root 2, c is equal to root, okay, 2 root 3. Okay, therefore delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Therefore b square is root 2 square minus 4 into a into c. So it is, this is minus actually. Okay, minus 2 root 3. Okay, this is root 3, and in the second bracket 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3. Okay, so it is 2 only, and this is plus now this 3, and this is 8. Okay, 2 to 8 into 3, it is 24. Okay, so it is 26. So in this case, okay, therefore delta, and this is delta. Okay, therefore delta is greater than 0. Okay, if I compare. Okay, therefore the roots of quadratic equation are real and unequal. Okay, unequal. If delta is greater than 0, okay, the roots are real but unequal. Okay, so you have to do calculation. 4 to 8, 8 into 3, 8 3 is 24. Okay, come to the third. Okay, comparing with am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to 1. Therefore delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b minus 2 square minus 4. A is 1 and c is also 1. Okay, so it is 4 minus 4, it is 0. Okay, so therefore delta is equal to 0 when I compare. Okay, so the roots of quadratic equation, roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. Okay, whenever you get delta is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. Okay, so these are the three questions which are based on the nature of roots first, then this is second, and the third. Okay, we have solved these three questions in which we have to just find out the nature of roots for the given quadratic equation. So just use x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 general form of quadratic equation. Compare the given equation, find the value of a, b, c, then find the value of discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. If delta is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. If delta is less than 0, the roots are not real, and if delta is equal to 0, okay, the roots are real and equal. Okay, so these are the solutions, okay, for this type of questions. We have solved this question number 6, and now we are going to solve question number 7. Okay, so we'll solve the question number 7, solve the quadratic equation. Okay, 1 upon x plus 5, 1 upon x square. Okay, we'll solve this equation. Therefore x square is equal to x plus 5. If I do this cross multiply, therefore x square minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore compare with, okay, comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get, okay, we get what we get: a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 5. Therefore delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, now delta only we'll write b square minus 4ac. Therefore minus 1 square minus 4 is 1 and minus 5. Okay, so it is 1 and this is plus 20, so it is 21. Okay, therefore x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is formula. Okay, you write formula. Okay, so therefore minus b, so minus 1, so it is minus minus 1 plus minus, this is 21 and 2 into 1. Okay, therefore x is equal to, okay, 1, this is 1 plus minus root 21 upon 2. Therefore I'm writing x is equal to 1 plus 21 upon 2, or x is equal to 1 minus 21 upon 2, root 21 upon 2. Okay, so these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, you have to use different method at different places, because here 5 is given, that's why I'm use this method. This is suitable method for the problem number 1. Come to the problem number 2. X square minus 3x upon 10 minus 1 upon 10 is equal to 0. So multiplying equation by 10 we get, okay, so what do we get? We write here 10x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. This will be derived equation. 10 into minus 1, it is minus 10. Okay, you can see this 10x square minus 3x, okay, and minus 1 by 10 get cancelled, so this is minus 3 minus 1. Okay, so it is, you got this, okay, minus 10. So I can do the factors of this, okay, minus 5 plus 2. Okay, therefore 10x square and this is minus 5x plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So I will take this out of the bracket, 5x, so 2x minus 1 plus 1, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 2x minus 1, this is first, 5x plus 1, this is second, is equal to 0. Therefore 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 1/2, or x is equal to minus 1 upon 5. Okay, these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. You have to write in words. Don't forget to write in words, because I'm not writing in words because I have to complete this problem. Okay, question number 7 in this video only. Okay, so these are the first two questions, and now we're going to solve next two questions. Okay, so we'll solve the question number 3 and 4. So 2x plus 3 bracket square, therefore 2x plus 3 bracket square is equal to 25. Therefore do the square of first, it will be 4x square then 2 into 2 into 3, so it is 12x. Okay, plus 9 is equal to 25. Okay, now see this. Okay, 4x square. Okay, then 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, a into b, so it is 12x, because 2 into 3 6 and into 2 12 9. Okay, therefore 4x square plus 12x plus 9 minus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore 4x square plus 12x 9 and this minus 25. Okay, you'll get minus 17. Okay, what you'll get? Minus 16, I think. Okay, minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, right now you see this. Okay, now divide by 4, so you'll get x square plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0, divided by 4. Okay, so now we have to do the factors of this. So the product should be minus 4 and the addition should be plus 3. Okay, so 4x and minus x, so therefore x square plus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 4 minus 1x plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 4 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 4 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 4 or x is equal to 1. Okay, so these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, maybe I think so. Okay, I will recheck this. Okay, don't worry, this is the question number 3, and the question number 4. Come to question number 4. M square plus 5m plus 5 is equal to 0, comparing with. Okay, this solve by comparing with am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. Therefore you'll get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 5. Okay, is it correct? Question as is correct. Okay, therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 5 square minus 4 into 1 into 5, so it is 25 minus 20, so it is 5. Okay, therefore m is equal to plus minus b, no, it is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, therefore m is equal to minus b, so minus 5. Okay, plus minus, you know, this root 5, and 2 into 1, it is 2 into 1, so m is equal to minus 5 plus minus root 5 upon 2. Therefore m is equal to minus 5 and minus root 5 upon 2, or m is equal to minus 5 plus root 5 upon 2. Okay, so these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, after doing the calculation. So this is question number 3 and this is question number 4. We have solved it, and now we are going to solve the remaining 2 questions of the problem number 7. Okay, so we'll solve the question number 5 and question number 6. Okay, 5m square, therefore 5m square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0, comparing with. Okay, you have to use the same method here, comparing with. Okay, m square, no, plus bm plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 1. Okay, therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 2 square. Okay, minus 4 into 5 into 1, so it is 4, and minus 20, so it is minus 16. Okay, so in this case the roots are not real. Okay, therefore b square minus 4ac, therefore b square minus 4ac. Okay, if the roots are not real, okay, therefore delta is smaller than 0. Okay, the roots of quadratic equation are not real. Okay, so I cannot take this minus 16 out of the square bracket, so I cannot solve this question further. I will keep it as it is. Okay, come to the question number 6. X square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore comparing with. Okay, you have to comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 4, and C is equal to minus 3. Okay, now do this. Therefore B square minus 4AC is equal to B is minus 4 square minus 4, A is 1, and C is minus 3. Okay, so it is 16 and plus 12. Okay, it is 28. You can do this. Okay, 16 and this minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12, and this is 28. Therefore x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Therefore x is equal to, okay, minus b means minus minus 4 plus 4, okay, plus minus root 28, okay, divided by 2 into 1. Okay, therefore x is equal to 4 plus minus 4 sevens are, okay, so I will take 2 out of bracket and 7 will be there and 2. Okay, therefore x is equal to 2 and 2 plus minus root 7 upon 2, so this will get cancelled. So x is equal to 2 plus minus root 7. Therefore x is equal to 2 plus root 7, or x is equal to 2 minus root 7. Okay, these are the roots of the given quadratic equation after solving it. Okay, so in this way, we have to solve this. If the roots are not real, so you cannot do further calculation, because whatever the value we get in the square bracket, we cannot take it out of the bracket due to the negative sign. Okay, so don't forget to do this question like this. And if roots are not real, okay, roots are real unequal, we can solve it. Roots are real and equal also, we can solve it. Okay, further, so this is the last question we have solved here. Okay, this is question number 5, this is question number 6, and here this question number 7 is complete. Okay, remaining 8 questions, that all questions are star marks, HODS high order thinking skills question. Will solve in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon button so you'll get the notification of upcoming videos on time. Thanks and keep watching. Have a nice time. Thanks.